How to fix Fiverr out call failed. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of how to guide. If you are also trying to call someone using the Fiverr out call and you're not being able to use it, then in this video I'm going to show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. Now the first thing that you need to know is that if you want to call someone using Fiverr out, you'll need to first get the balance. So if you open up your Fiverr app and tap on the more on the bottom right, here you can see an option called Fiverr out. You can just tap on it and you can see these are the credit or balances that you need to purchase to call in different countries. You just need to tap on the buy now and choose a payment method to purchase the Fiverr out balance. Now once you purchase the Fiverr out balance and you're still not being able to make calls, then the problem could also be that there is a glitch or a bug. So in this case, what you can do is just uninstall your Fiverr app and then again download it and reinstall and log into your account. This is a good way of clearing out any bugs or glitches if that is the case that you're dealing with. So once you do these couple of steps, you'll be able to fix Fiverr out call failed. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up.